Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to focus more on my new budgie. It's called Pudgie actually. And if you are wondering why, I would like you to go to my channel on the community tab. You can see a small description why it's been called a Pudgie. By the way, hello Beth.
Hello.
He's currently just looking at the camera wondering, hey, what's this?
Yeah, he hasn't really seen the camera before.
Yeah, he's really quiet because, guess what? I'm just playing some of my music in the background. It's one of my latest videos. Oh, he's just so silent, look at him.
Also, he's quite tame. How long have you had him for, like 2 months?
When we got him, he was 11 weeks old. And we had him like a month, so in total he must be like 3-4 months now. Yeah, he's still young. As you can see, he has dark button eyes. So this is his cage. We are slowly getting him more things. He's really enjoying it right now. We're gonna give him a millet. He really loves millets, isn't he?
I think he's like so alert to the camera that he's kind of not fully relaxed.
I believe so, yeah. He's getting used to it. This is the first time he's around the camera. But I really want to show you guys something incredible. I don't know why this is happening, but when we open the oven fan, which is, let me just show you, is this one here. Once I pull it out, it starts the oven fan. Paaji really likes it, and we don't know why, but he's really enjoying it. I'm just gonna pass my camera to Beth so we can take his reaction when I open the oven fan. So now that you're recording Pudgie, I'm gonna open the oven fan and see his reaction. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
He likes to talk to any noisy appliances. So when you put the kettle on, he starts to talk as well. And when you put the oven fan on, he gets really sleepy.
Thank you for that, Beth. Let's have a look.
There you are.
Oh, he yawned. But if I pretend, I'm gonna put it a bit lower so he thinks I'm not recording him. He's looking at the camera, isn't he? Oh, he got on your finger?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've just started to teach him about stepping up. But he likes to go on Nicholas's shoulder.
Yeah.
But not mine because I've got a lot of hair, so he doesn't really like that. I feel like he's about to fly.
Maybe he's gonna try and fly, I'm not sure.
He likes to fly around the house.
Yeah, he likes to fly around the house and then he goes up there. Then I have to bring him down. Yeah, but this is our Christmas decoration we have in the house. If you guys want me to do another video with the oven fan, just oven fan sounds, so you can test it with your own budgies or birds.
That's how we tamed him.
Yeah, that's actually the reason why we tamed him.
I was saying about he's very unusual because he doesn't really have a lot of colours as well. But he is starting to get some of his colours. Now, like at the back, he's like light, like powder blue.
Yeah, that's his front, that's his back.
But
Yeah.
he'll turn his head all the way around.
Yeah, he's a really nice bird, isn't he?
Good bird.
So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully he'll open up more and we'll be able to make more videos with our Pudgie. But apart from that, please let me know about the oven fan and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye bye! Merry Christmas, of course!
Bye.